Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily make money online by creating and selling digital products. First, what is a digital product? Well, with digitals you can't hold it, taste it or even touch it, but everyone consumes them. A digital product is any product that anyone can create and then sell it online. It can certainly be anything from music videos, ebooks to online courses, a software program, or even app and much more. Now that you know what a digital product is, let's talk about how you will produce and sell it. So the first step is for you to identify a need or problem in your specified market. I want you to think about the needs and problems that your target audience has, and then you can think about creating a product that solves those problems or needs. Next, you'll need to create the product you've identified. I'm sure by now you are aware that creating and selling digital products is an increasingly popular way to make some serious money online. Digital products are low overhead but wide reaching because the internet have made it so much easier for you to create, download and sell digital products. Now then, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple and practical steps for you to follow and to get started. Number one, identify your niche. It's so important for you to have in mind a clear understanding of the type of digital product you want to create and who your target audience is. This will help you create a product that speaks to your audience needs, interests, and or their problems. So, to identify your niche, you only need to conduct market research or take a look at your personal skills and interests, or look at areas with high demands that are of interest to you. For example, if you're a professional person working in a particular area, or you're in a regular 9-to-5 job and have knowledge in certain things, then you should consider creating an online course or ebook that teaches others what you know. Perhaps you're not working or in a low-paid job and have a passion for cooking. You could create a digital or meal planning software. Number two, create valuable content. Once you've found or identified your niche, then your next step is to create the actual product. For an ebook, this could involve writing or compiling information and formatting it into a readable format, or you could outsource this on Fiverr. If you don't fancy writing, or you could create videos for an online course, and for an online course you should include slides or other resources. Then there is a coding or software to consider also. And as I've said before now, all these things can be produced on ChatGPT, which is the power of AI technology, so easy. However, it is very important for you to produce valuable content for your target audience, bearing in mind it should be informative, well structured, and of course engaging. A good tip is for you to include extra resources such as a bonus content or even access to a private community of people, just to ensure your product even more appealing. A good tip is for you to include extra resources such as a bonus content or even access to a private community of people, just to ensure your product is even more appealing. Number three, build a website. A website is such a good tool for selling your digital product. Nowadays, it's so easy to use a website builder such as WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace in order for you to create a really professional looking site. For certain, you will find it beneficial for your website to include product descriptions, a payment system, and a way for customers to download or access the product after purchase. In any event, you can also use an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce to sell your product. These are all great platforms who will provide all the necessary tools you will need to sell and manage your digital product in one place. Now then, you want to make sure you stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of these easy practical practical steps available to you so you can start making money online. So stay right there and I will be right back. What's going on, guys? I am Lorna Recommend Money Winners. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I'm really excited to share with these easy steps for you to begin making money online. Now then, do me a huge favor and please consider subscribing to this channel and hit that thumbs up button, which will help me enormously with the YouTube algorithm and with others finding my content, and I'd really appreciate it. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated on making things happen. Our mission is to build a community of people who are looking to make money together online, prosper, be successful and win big. Also, leave a comment letting me know how you're getting on with my recommendations. Now then, let's dive right back into the video on how you can start creating and selling digital products online that are highly profitable and will also generate passive income. Number 4, establish a payment system. In order for you to start selling your digital product, you must have a payment system in place. To process your payment, you could use PayPal or Stripe, which allows you to accept payments from customers in exchange for your product. If you use an e-commerce platform, it may very well also have built-in payment processing systems. So you see the importance of choosing a secure payment system which will meet your needs and the needs of your customers also. Number 5, make your product. As soon as your website and payment systems are in place, then it's time for you to start marketing your product. You can, of course, use social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for you to reach your potential customers. Also, you should consider using paid advertising such as Google Ads or Facebook ads to target specific audiences. SEO, search engine optimization, can also help you get more eyes on your product just by improving your website's ranking in search engine results. Ways of doing this is to offer discounts, bonuses, or even free trials, which can also be effective in encouraging customers to purchase your product. Number 6, deliver your product. Once a customer has made a purchase, then it's time for you to deliver the product. This can, of course, be done automatically simply by using an e-commerce platform, or you can do it manually by sending your product via email. Now then, the delivery process should be smooth and efficient with no hiccups, and your customers should receive your product within a reasonable amount of time. Number 7, continuously improve your product. Now then, your aim is to continuously improve or update your digital product in order for you to maintain good success. These are the things you should do regularly. Update your content, fix or fine-tune any technical issues at hand. Also, add new features. It's good practice to ask your customers for their feedback to get ideas for ways to improve on your product, because this will help you create a better product. It's good practice to ask your customers for their feedback to get ideas for ways to improve on your product, because this will help you create a better product, and it will also show your customers that you value their input and you are committed to providing them with the best experience possible. Guys, by following these easy and practical steps, you then place yourself in a strong position to produce and sell your digital product success. It's also important for you to remember that creating a successful digital product takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. So whether you're looking to make this a side income or you're wanting to build a full-time business, the opportunities in the digital product space are vast. And thanks again for stopping by. This is Lorna Recommend Money Winners, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button on the way out and leave me a comment. Bye for now.